Look at me, I'm doing 20,000 sit-ups in half an hour, or the equivalent thereof, and I'm not even breaking a sweat. I'm not moving because the machine strapped to my abdomen, EMSculpt, is doing all the hard work for me. But what can a product marketed at already toned, fit young people and the Hollywood glitterati do for someone with a chronic pain condition like me? Now, this picture behind me, that's clearly not me. And I never thought that I would do anything like that because, I'm 52 and I have a chronic illness and bad back, and I thought, well, that's never going to work for me. But actually, then I started to think about what would happen if my stomach muscles were stronger. Would my back then have less pressure put on it? And I spoke to Miss Sharina about it, and we decided to give it a go. So today, here I am to show you what happened, what it's like, and hopefully show you some good results. EMSculpt is a revolutionary, FDA-approved medical device that works by supercharging muscle contractions via the paddle, leading to stronger muscles and elimination of fat cells. So it makes you stronger and slimmer at the same time. There is firm science behind it. Regular sit-ups like these create voluntary muscle contractions, but they can't compete with the sustained supramaximal contractions delivered by EMSculpt that build muscle fast without pain and kill off fat cells as well. For me, that's a side benefit. 4 sessions of EMSculpt have significantly increased my strength and stamina. So how is that happening? S-Thetics Clinical Director Ms. Sharina Balaratnam explains.
Well, if you really think about what your core muscles entail, sure, you've got your rectus abdominis, that's your six-pack muscle from the top to the tail. When that contracts and strengthens due to the EMSculpt device, you're getting a longer core. It's now back in track, but you also have your external and your internal obliques also working cohesively all at the same time. So when you think of the synergistic effect of all these core muscles, they also integrate them to the back. So really what you're seeing is a full 360, this directly, but the others indirectly. And when they're all coming together really tight, we are actually standing taller. I have patients, even up to the age of 65 to 77 having these treatments, and immediately after the first session, they're all standing so much taller as they walk out the door. They feel it. And to be able to see that in a patient is very, very powerful. I've had patients cancelling surgery just because things are feeling a little bit more regenerated. So what I'm really seeing now is much more than just vanity. This is beyond vanity. This is getting really straight to the core.
So I'm near the end of the 30 minutes. It hasn't been painful, it hasn't been uncomfortable. It's really for health and for strength, and it's not about vanity at all. For me, certainly, it's about being able to do more, being able to have more stamina. I found just in my working day, I've had more stamina. I've had to have less rest in the afternoon. So it's really changed my life in that respect.